Hello world. Today is May 6, 2026, and I'm going to walk you through how I am using Claude Code to go from zero to shipping an app in like a day or something. And today I am, so maybe a day, maybe like 5 parts or something. I'm going to just do this over a couple of days and divide it into sections, and each section should be like 5 to 10 minutes. So let's start with this idea. It's called CronWatch, and what it does is it allows you to track your time by 15-minute increments. So imagine this idea is that it helps you like manage your time better, because tracking, if you track something, then you can manage it, you can control it. So it's a simple tool where you tap this record button, you record a short voice memo, like today from 8:30 to 9 p.m. I recorded a YouTube tutorial. That's saved, that's transcribed, then that's transformed into a JSON and inserted into the database. And then you have this view. So I'm using Claude AI design to design all of the screens, and it's so that you do that, record that here, and then like you can edit the entry or just save. And I'm going to make that just like super simple, so it's just one click and you record it and it's saved. And then you have, let me show you all the screens. You have the main screen, which shows you the day and the current time. So it's not going to so it's just going to record all the times before, and it's going to categorize it. And the home view has like your the day average, how each category of activity is divided, and like you have a streak for how many days you've recorded. And what else? You have the settings page. It's very simple: subscription, sign out, delete account, the version. It's open source, privacy terms. You have the paywall, and this is the design language. Pretty simple, pretty awesome. This is the landing page, Apple and Gmail sign in. That's the logo. That's pretty simple. So I prompted this, created this in Claude Design. Now so I've been using Claude in the terminal, Claude Code, of course. And I asked it to create the prompts for the design. So I described all the screens, how it works, and created these detailed prompts for all of the screens. Now, next is the architecture. I described how everything works. And so it's Expo, React Native, cross-platform, and the mobile client, list view, profile view, capture. Now uses DeepGram to transcribe it, uses Together AI to open source LLM to create the JSON structure that will be inserted into the Firebase storage, using Firebase auth for Google and Apple, Revenue Cat for the paywall and tracking your revenue. Let's see, so a client application, you have list view, profile view, capture, bottom navigation, authentication, data storage is Firebase, you have these entries, profile, very as simple as possible, security rules, Firebase storage, capture pipeline, it goes into DeepGram. It's the most simplest app, and let's see how far we can get. What are the challenges, what are the difficulties here? So I created this architecture markdown file, and then it designed then it generated the app, and basically there's the simulator of what it looks like now. This is a lot of like dummy data, right? And that's all right. This is just a sample. Be edited. So this is like your day, and then you have your profile view, and you have the paywall. Beautiful. So that's going to be, and here I just asked it, okay, let's set up the Firebase, and it helped me. I've done Firebase a ton of times, but here it is again. Like, just went in here and developed this. Now I have to Go to Firestore, and I have to create the client. So I have to do the rules. So let me create the rules. And it just it gave me that in here, the architecture. Security rules. So match publish users, so that only that user can edit that file. Next, we have to go to the settings, general CronWatch. Okay, so I have to create the app here. So I'll do the web, and that's going to give me all the credentials that I'll have to put into the env file, the credentials file. So that's client, expo. We can just inspect the code. It's got services, capture. This is like, we really don't need to understand this. It's amazing to be 2026 and you don't have to read the code anymore. All right, what else? Firebase. These are the credentials, revenue cat. These are services, we have themes, topography, we have types, entry, start time, end time, source, transcript, created at, subscription, users, very simple. Utilities, time, beautiful, get ignore. Okay, environment example, all the credentials, revenue cat. It needs to have the other ones, package JSON. Beautiful. So that's, I'm gonna end it here for this session. CronWatch. And I want to document this going from 0. So I just got this idea yesterday, and I was like, I'm gonna vibe code this, and I'm gonna capture this in like 5 parts or less, and see what the results are. So ending it here. Thank you for watching. Stay, watch, come back for the second part. And it's running in the simulator. It's like, okay, what I use is Claude Code, UltraThink, and just asked it to generate this using sub-agents from the architecture. And next, I also use superpowers as a skill. So next, I will remove that demo data and connect all the vendors, and tried it out on the real phone. Connect the authentication, Apple and the Google Gmail sign-in. Connect all the authentication. Test that everything works. I'm just going to use it for like a whole day. That's going to be the testing. Make sure the testing works and really minimize the friction. Focus on the user experience. Then I'm going to make sure it builds on the Android. Make sure it builds on iPhone. Make sure it works on the web version. I know Expo is tricky, so that's gonna be a step. Next, I will get it ready to ship to the App Store, create all the artifacts, create the description, all the metadata, the revenue cat, the store kit items, subscriptions, and then I'm gonna ship it, submit it, and I'm gonna focus on marketing, distribution, and that's gonna be this series. So that should be like, by part 5, I'm doing UGC content for this CronWatch. So that's the intention that I'm starting with. CronWatch, from idea to creating the distribution UGC content. That's going to be amazing. So if I can do that in 5 parts, that's going to be amazing. So that's the goal, and I'm going to be coming back here. So thank you for listening, and peace.